Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Redis in your machine. Okay, I'm going to use Docker again for this installation. So okay, let me get started. First we need to run, of course, the Docker CLI command. Okay, before we run the CLI command, let me check first the images currently installed in my system. So now we have here MySQL, Jagger, Postgre, Server. So basically we don't have the Redis yet, right? Okay, so let me run the command. So docker run, of course we need to specify the port. For Redis, it's 6379. This is the port mapping, alright? So this is very important. If we do not specify this port mapping, then we cannot access the Redis server. Okay, then we need to pass also the name of the image, which is Redis. This one we can change to whatever name you want, but for demo purpose I will use Redis. Okay, then the volume parameter, we must specify here the existing flat. In my case I use users / Ricky Villegas like /db data / Redis / data. Okay, so this path must be existing in your PC. Okay, then the second part, which is /opt / Redis / data, you can just keep it as is. Okay, it's internal data inside the container. Alright, then the last parameter is Redis. This is the image that will be downloaded from the Docker Hub. Okay, so that's it. Let's run. Let's wait a bit. Okay, it's downloading. Alright, okay, it's ready. So it's already installed. So let me test if we can connect to the server. Let's open a new terminal. Okay, so we will try to connect to the server using CLI command. Okay, let me run this. We need to go inside the Docker directory, because we need to run the client, the Redis client, because there is Redis client inside the package when we install the Redis server. So we will use that CLI command to connect to the server. Okay, so first we need to check the image ID of the Redis. So it's let me paste it. So it's EEC8. Alright, so docker execute -it, then the container ID, which is for Redis, which is EEC8. Okay, then the /bin /s. Alright, then we need to look for Redis-CLI. Redis-CLI. So this is the location of Redis-CLI. Okay, cd /usr local -bin. Okay, then using this Redis client or Redis CLI, we will connect to the server. Redis CLI, then /host 127. In our case, it's local, right? So 127-0 dash, this is our host. Then the port is the one we map a while ago, 636379. Okay, all right, now we are connected. We can test if we really can connect. We can send a ping command. See, it's responding pong, so it means it's successfully connected, right? So let's throw some commands. Let's say add let's key one, or let's say test list red, blue, green, then S member test list. S members means we will retrieve, right? So S add means we will push some item to the whatever list we want. So in our case, we use test list. Okay, now we will retrieve using S members command. We will retrieve the data from test list. Okay, RC, so we can retrieve all the items that we added in the list. So now let me wrap up what we did just now. Basically, we installed the Redis server in our local machine. Then basically we installed the Redis server using Docker. Okay, then after installation, we tried to connect to the Redis server using the Redis client, which is included in the package of the Redis server. And then after successfully connecting to the Redis server, then we tried to perform some CLI command to push some data to the server and retrieve those data from Redis server. Okay, I think that's all, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you next time. Happy learning. Bye bye.